Oh, so hi there. As you can see, I'm playing Assassin's Creed right now, the Odyssey version, and I wanted to tell you that I finally put together my FreeSync monitor. As you can see, I'm playing right now, and there's some bad news about it. It's because that this FreeSync curved 24-inch Samsung screen is not compatible with my NVIDIA video card because it doesn't support display port. So I was watching some reviews online and they were saying that you have, in order for this monitor to work, I have to have an AMD graphic card instead of NVIDIA because NVIDIA doesn't offer a display port. So in this monitor only come with a RGB port and an HDMI cord. So it doesn't have a display port. So without a display port, I can't use up the FreeSync feature in the monitor. So anyway, it's bad. Both are bad news. So I can't do any of that. So I'm gonna have to wrap it up and return it, and or maybe find an AMD video card. But I don't know how expensive it is. If it's on sale right now, I only buy sale stuff. This was giving me at least $100 sale. That's why I bought it. Hopefully you guys think this is helpful, and I will try to make some more video if you subscribe and hit the like bell for me.